Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. In this video I have the all new Tecno Camon 20 Pro, and guys, and this is the bigger brother of the Tecno Camon 20, and this phone is costing around 61,000 PKR officially in the Pakistan market. And in this price range we have 8GB of RAM with a 256GB of internal storage. This phone has a AMOLED display. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. So this phone has a 64 megapixel RGBW main camera on the back, same as the Camon 20. We have a Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and the in-display fingerprint scanner. On the front we have 32 megapixel selfie camera, MediaTek Helio G99 SoC. We have 5000 mAh battery size with a 33 watt fast charging. Also on the bottom, and the color I have is the blue color, and this phone is made in China. I'm not sure about that. So now let's quickly remove the plastic, and this phone also available in the black color. So when you remove the plastic, the box, it is very similar to the Camon 20, which I unboxed a couple of weeks ago. So now let's open this box. So on the top we are getting our device, Tecno Camon 20 Pro again, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Camon 20 Pro. So now let's remove the plastic. As you can see here, the blue color looks like. So on the back we have a vegan leather finish, and this blue color looks really nice. On the back we have dual cameras. We have 64 megapixel main, then we have 2 megapixel depth sensor. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So the first thing, we're getting a hard case. As you can see, on the back we have matte finish. We have our warranty sticker. Here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 33 watt fast charger, while Infinix Note 30 Pro is giving you a 45 watt. Although the Infinix Note 30 Pro, it is a more expensive phone in the open market, as you know. Also we have in this box our USB-C to USB-A cable, no headphones inside the box, and here is our SIM ejection tool. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Tecno Camon 20 Pro. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack, and on this side we have our SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot. Yes, it is. So you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. So it is a full-fledged SIM slot. Also inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber. So on the top we have our another speaker, but I don't see any noise cancellation microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, it is on the right hand side. We have vegan leather finish, which feels really premium in the hand. Also we have this ring light. So now let's talk about the display, and this phone has 6.67 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on the top. Also this is the cheapest smartphone here in the Pakistan that give you AMOLED display and 120Hz after the Infinix Note 30 Pro, of course. And the bottom chin, it is also really small on this phone. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Tecno Camon 20 Pro. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a AMOLED display and the colors looks really nice with the 120Hz refresh rate, which I can feel that. And guys, here is the notification panel looks like. We also have NFC on this phone. Now let's go to the display. So we have 120Hz refresh rate on this phone. You can also switch between from 120 to 90 all the way up to 60Hz in order to save your battery. So now let's go 120Hz all the time. Now let's go back, and now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner, as you can see, and the fingerprint scanner, it is also works really fast. And now let's go to the my phone. So this phone is running on Android 13. Also we have iOS version 13, MediaTek Helio G99, which is a really capable SoC. Also we have a 256GB of internal storage, and out of 21GB it is already used on this phone. And now let's look at the camera. This phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have 64 megapixel main. So here is the camera UI looks like. So here is our 64 megapixel mode. Now let's go to the video section. Now let's see video recording size. So the back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps. We also have a 1080p 60 fps option, and we also have a ultra steady mode and HDR mode also available, which give you a better low light performance as well as a better dynamic range in daylight. And right there we also have a bokeh mode which give you a background blur in the video. And here is our slow motion. So maximum we have a 240 fps slow motion. Here is our portrait mode, super night mode. Here is the sky shop. And when you go right there, we also have a dual view video mode. And we also have pro mode. We also have a panorama. All those things it is available on this phone. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And the front facing camera, I would say it is better as compared to the Infinix Note 30 Pro. And the front camera also shoots 1440p at 30 fps, but we don't have any 1080p 60 fps. Here is the ultra steady mode. Here is the HDR mode. All those things it is also available with the front facing camera. And bokeh mode also available, as you can see, with the front facing camera. Here is our slow motion with the front facing camera. So every single feature it is also available with the front facing cameras. Same case with the super night mode. And guys, now let's talk about the battery size. And this phone has 5000 mAh battery size with a 33 watt fast charging. So this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use without any problem. Again, this is the cheapest smartphone here in the Pakistan market that give you a MediaTek Helio G99 and a AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno Camon 20 Pro. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.